skipped that really. Right, so that's the second video now. I promised I haven't done any because there was only one view on it, but and that was my sister. But then I said I would be doing videos, so I'm doing another one. Should be doing something. Sorry. So yeah, as I said, there were quite a lot of changes in the last few days. Obviously changes to good. Not every day was easy, but obviously it just depends how we take it. So, and I suppose, you know, everything's happening for a reason. So, you know, you can take it or leave it. Obviously, depends on the person, but I think if we want to achieve something, then we should just take it and deal with the problem. I know it's easier to say than to do sometimes, because not in every occasion is really easy to deal with things, but it's like a little bit like a test, isn't it? What we, you know, if we have some obstacle in a way on our journey, then you know it's like a test. What we aim to, you know, how far we would go to reach the point that we want to reach. And I think that is actually really important, because if you'll be weak at the point when it's important and you've got something in your way, you won't get there. You just won't. So, however hard it is to get somewhere, just go for it. Just take it. Just, you know, bite the bullet and just keep going. Keep going. I mean, the last week was quite tough. The good thing is, when I was doing the first video, I had no work. Now, I'm working every day. So that is a good thing. It's not easy. It's long days, it's difficult. On the other hand, it's nice weather. Right? So, I don't complain. It really is. It really is good, because if I wouldn't have this job, I wouldn't be able to keep going and doing what I'm doing, what I want to do. You know, you have to start somewhere. I've started here. Well, that's the step one, isn't it? No, in my case it's step two. Step one was the start of doing these videos. You know, it might help someone. I know there will be someone who will be looking at this video right now and will be thinking, oh God, look at him, idiot. You know, but well, that's everywhere around the world, isn't it? I mean, there are people, they're rich, they have big companies, they running, they have employees, they will look after the company. So what they do, sit back, relax, you know, have a bottle of wine, bottle of champagne on the yacht. Who cares? You don't need all that. All you need is, you know, just be happy, really, because otherwise what's the point of life? And you know what? I think that's it. That's the point of today. Just be happy. Do what you do. Keep your chin up, walk straight, and be happy. Whatever whatever's going on, whatever's happening, just be happy, because that's the only way how you can get through it. Okay? So be happy. See you later.